Now, the broker has a listing with a seller, and the parties agree to a graduated or a sliding commission structure. Now, the way this one works is you will get 5% on the first $200,000 of whatever the sell price is, 6.5% on the next $100,000 going above $200,000, and then 8% on anything that exceeds $300,000. So what would the total commission be for this property if it sells for $325,000? Now first, we do not double, triple, multiply anything. Everything is done by itself in its own point in time. So we take the 5% times the 200,000, and that's it. We're done with the 200,000. We take the 6.5% and multiply it by 100,000. That's it. We don't add the 200 back onto it or anything. And then anything over 300,000. Well, if it sold for 325, that means we went over 3 by 25,000. So we just take 8% times 25,000, and then we just add all three together, and there you have it. So let's see it on paper, or screen, I guess. So step 1, calculate the first increment. We have 5% times $200,000, which gives us $10,000. Write it down, circle it, leave it to the side. Do it again for the next step. And this one said for the next 100,000, we're going to take 6.5% of it. So that's 0.065. That gives us $6,500. Put it to the side, circle it, leave it alone. And then finally, anything over 300,000, which in this case was 25,000, we're going to multiply by 8%. So just 0.08 times 25,000 to give us $2,000. Then we take the 10, add the 65 and the 2 to it, and we've got $18,500 as the total sales commission on this property. And that's really all there is to it.